Hello creators, this is Sabi and I welcome you to the Republic of Creators, an ecosystem of resources to help you master YouTube and online video. The other day, I spoke with Max Miller with Tasting History YouTube channel. Do you know who Max is? If you don't know, I'll tell you. He's gained over 250,000 subscribers in just 25 videos. On his channel, he combines cooking with history. Now in this video, I asked him about the money that he's making from his quick and fast growth, how he's thinking of incorporating different avenues to make money. He talks about his Patreon, affiliate deals, and a sponsor that he has already bagged with just 25 videos. Now, this is a clip from our podcast interview, and you can listen to the full audio or the full video. Links will be in the description box below. After you watch this video, guys, I also invite you to join the Republic. Most importantly, our meetup group, where hundreds of video creators from all over the world meet once a week to share best practices and grow their tribe. Because at Republic of Creators, we truly believe together we learn and united we create. The link to the meetup group is in the description box below as well. Now, let's go and watch this video. How do you monetize your videos? And I know that with only a few dozen videos in, you may not have the best monetization strategy that you may have in 6 months from now. But still, how have you made money so far with that many subscribers? You probably have a lot of views as well. How have you made money so far? And what are you doing to monetize your YouTube channel in future?
As you said, it's been so quick. I haven't. It's all so new that I definitely don't have a strategy here. Trying to figure it out, trying to actually talk to other YouTubers and find out what did you do, because obviously I have the Google ads, the YouTube ads, which are the bulk of what I've been making. I also have affiliate marketing, but the links that I link to are not huge things. They're ingredients mostly, or history books. So they're not camera equipment and things like that. There have been a couple kitchen gadgets, which have been nice, but I do think that that's a very limited income stream for me. And then I started a Patreon, which has been awesome. Not just from the financial, benefit, which has allowed me to not worry so much about how much I'm spending on each video and everything, ingredients-wise, but just the support that you get from the idea that someone is going to go out of their way to give you some money each month is just like the ego boost of the century. And then when hundreds of people do it, it's really an ego boost. So that's really been a great experience. I do have in the works my first sponsored video content. So still dealing with what that's going to look like, but that'll be another income stream. From there, who knows?